One of the first things that we'll introduce you to when you're out on the river is how to properly pack your bags. Ro provides you with 2 dry bags, each with either a specific number or a specific name. That'll help you differentiate your bag from the other guests over the course of your trip. 1 is your overnight bag. This will be stocked with your sleep kit, plus your personal camp gear, and you will not have access to this throughout the day because it'll go ahead of the group on a cargo raft. Your personal bag, however, you're welcome to stock with things you need access to during the day. Here are some things that you might want to pack in your personal day bag. We'll start with layers. First, you'll want a rain jacket, nice waterproof layer, a synthetic mid layer, something to keep you warm if the temperatures drop, an extra layer, a ball cap, and sunglasses with a retaining device like chums, any medicines you might need, a little sunscreen, and a water bottle with a carabiner. You fold along the black line here, nice and tight, all the way down, and clip it. So things that you'll be packing in your overnight bag. Ro provides everything that you need to sleep at camp. So we've got your sleeping bag, which fits really nicely right along the bottom. Your sleeping bag liner. If it's a little bit warm, it's a good alternative to a down bag. Little baby pillow. And we encourage bringing along a soft-sided duffel. That way all of your personal items can stay in one place, and it's super easy to slide right into the dry bag to stay waterproof during its voyage to camp. If you don't have a soft-sided duffel, you can put things loose on top of your sleep kit. No problem. To close these, we squeeze all of the air out, fold at the top, roll all the way down for that waterproof seal, clip, clip, 4 clips in total, and you're ready to go. So we recommend that in the morning you get dressed first and throw anything that you might want during the course of the day into your personal dry bag. Once you have everything you need, everything else can be thrown into your overnight bag, which we'll load on the cargo boat and send ahead.